everyone! Kumusta? It's me, Hazel's Emporium's back, and for today's video, I am going to try on two all-sheer nightie. I just got off from my shower, very obvious. Tired face. Eye bags overload, but I don't mind, right? It's okay. So before I crash, I just thought to do a try on of my two-sheer nightie. So let's jump into this, and please see me more in the inside. Thank you. So front of this is, as you can see, there is a lace kind of design, which I thought this is very cute. And I have another one here. Okay, we'll see how is this fit in my body. I like the design, this ruffle kind of design at front. The material, guys, is sheer and very soft. Okay. Well, so girly. I like the color. What do you think, guys? The material is super soft. Very soft material. Oh, this one too? Well, I guess because I am small woman. I like this. I like the design. It's just so girly, very girly design too. I know that one's very girly too because of that ruffle kind of design, but this one also too. I'd like to wear this tonight. I like the design. Lights off. Boosh. Woohoo. Good morning. Oh, oh hi. Time check 7:16 a.m. Let me check the weather outside. I have my fan on. Turn this off. Jerks. Okay, let's take a look outside. Good morning, good morning. Oh, it's raining. No way. See? Rain, rain, go away. It's Victoria Day. Everybody is going out. Oh well, we need rain, I guess, right? So I will make a coffee while I'll have this nightie. So if I will have to give a rate for this out of 10, I will give 9. So while waiting for my coffee, I'm just gonna tell you that I super love this. This one has an adjustment, same as the rest of the nightie. It can be adjusted depending on your choice of length. So yeah, I got this from Shein. This is not a sponsor from Shein. Not a sponsored. I'm not promoting. I like this the most, as I've said last night too. It's very cute, very girly. Yeah, nothing's really special from the bottom here. It's just the material is super soft, same as the other one too. And it's not too sheery, right? It's not too sheer. So yeah, very comfortable material. Coffee time. Check the YouTube. Coffee is really good in the morning.